What's up, Sunny family? Welcome back. This is your Sunny trainer, Sydney, and today I have a nice and easy dynamic warm-up for you guys that you can use at home before you hop on your row and ride. So today we're going to be focused on increasing your mobility, your range of motion, as we actively move through these stretches, as well as activating those important muscles like the core and the glutes that we really want to focus on using when you're on your row and ride. Okay, so we're going to start with our first exercise. This is going to be the hardest exercise of our warm-up because we really want to make sure that our body is warm before we get into these stretches. So we're going to start with a lateral lunge glide. So basically we're going to go down on our right side, sweep over to the left, come back up, and go right back to the right. Nice and easy. You don't have to go fast. Take your time. Really want to warm up everything in those legs. Getting those inner thighs, those adductors, all ready to go. Keep breathing, nice and easy. We're gonna switch it up and go to our left side now. Nice and easy. Really feel that stretch all the way through. Feels so good, and we can feel everything waking up, getting nice and warm. Keep going, we're almost there. Give me a few more on this left side, and then we're gonna head on down to the ground for our next stretches. Last one. Woo, good job guys, shake it out. Like I said, hardest part of the warm-up done. Let's come on down to our mat. We're gonna start by stretching out that back. So give me a nice cat-cow. We're gonna round that back up and stretch it all the way through. You don't have to go just straight up and straight down. Feel free to move around a little bit, however feels good to your spine. We just want to make sure that all of those muscles in there are getting nice and stretched out. Good. A few more. Nice and slow, take your time. Oh, it feels so good. Last one. Nice big stretch. Good. All right, we're gonna come on through now. Get a little more into that back. So we're gonna be switching between two positions. The first is a child's pose. So come on down, bring those knees out, and try to press that chest towards the floor. Really stretching out that upper body. And then we're gonna pull it through and go up into a back extension. You might feel a little pop in those hips. That happens to me every time, which is why I love putting this in my warm-ups, because we're making sure that we're getting all of those little kinks out before we get started. Bring it on back. Nice little child's pose. Take a few deep breaths here. And back on through. Soak it in. Feels so nice. And just like with the cat-cow, feel free to wiggle up at the top. Get all those little muscles in that lower back. Last one, let's do it one more time. Back to child's pose. Press that chest towards the ground. And back into back extension. Look up towards the sky. Keep breathing. All right, guys, good job. Let's come on up. We're gonna get into a little combo exercise now. So we're gonna come into a low lunge, bring that right leg forward. Then with the right hand, we're gonna reach up towards the sky, twisting that spine. So we're getting a nice good stretch through the hip flexors, as well as the back and upper body. Feel everything opening up. So good. And switch. Keep switching back and forth and feel free to follow whatever pace feels good to you. This is your workout, your warm-up. You set the pace. And for some of these exercises, you may feel like you want to take a little more time than we're taking today in this video. So if that's the case, feel free to pause the video, take your time, Good job. Let's bring it on down. We're gonna finish off with a few activation exercises. So our first exercise we're gonna do here is a glute bridge. Focusing on activating those glutes because of course we wanna make sure that those glutes are turned on and ready to go for our row and ride workout. So we're gonna squeeze those glutes up, core is nice and tight, bring it on down. We're gonna do 10 of these. Take your time and really make sure that you're activating those glutes, squeezing them as hard as you can at the top before you're coming back down. Good. Halfway there. A few more. One more. Good. All right, very last exercise, we're gonna activate your core before you get started. As you guys know, it's so important to keep that core nice and engaged throughout your entire row and ride workout because when you're rowing and when you're squatting or when you're doing a combination of both, you wanna keep that core nice and tight. So we're gonna do what's called a dead bug. So legs come up in the sky, pointed straight towards the wall behind you. Hands are straight up. We're gonna take the left arm back while taking the right leg down. So opposite arm, opposite leg, and bring it right back up. Feel that core nice and tight as you move through each motion. We're focusing on control, alternating back and forth. We're gonna do 5 on each side. So that's 3, 2 more to go. Breathe through it. Last one. Nice. All right, roll it on up. Awesome job, you guys. That was your dynamic warm up for the row and ride. Thanks so much for joining me today and enjoy your workout.